the daily life of a Scrum Master, I know I'm going to be upset. Here we go. I already think Scrum is fake and awful. All right, hold on. We got to get okay. Verify to continue. Nah. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that.
One of the most useless people you've ever met. As you've probably guessed, I'm a certified Scrum Master. My net impact of any organization I've ever been a part of is 0.
I had no idea it was going to be this based. Typically, when you go on TikTok, you are going for the least based takes possible, but this is really good. This is awesome. Boring, disorganized technology, bullet noise. Is that what it's supposed to be? Bullet noise? I love that. Just technology. Technology. This is so good.
Everybody knows I'm useless, but nobody does anything about it. The first half.
Why do I love you? Tell me what, why do I love, I cannot believe I'm enjoying a TikTok. Typically, whenever I watch a TikTok, I become so disappointed in TikTok that it's like, it is just the worst. TikTok is categorically one of the worst. It's just.
My day I spend in meetings asking the engineering team for updates, even though it will have no impact.
It actually does have impact. It actually just slows everything down. That's really it. That's truly the real impact of it. It actually is a net negative for everybody. The
half of my day I spend collaborating on various articles on LinkedIn. Why? So I can receive the top voice badge, even though
there is something so beautiful about the fact that there exists a social network in which is somehow more valueless and meaningless than Twitter. Can we just take a moment for that? It has more badges, it has more awards, it has more endorsing, and yet it is single-handedly the dumbest website. How did that happen? Like at what point in the world did we decide we want to create a social network as useful as Scrum Masters? It's pretty wild.
it's of no consequence. It's probably in a useless skill like cross-functional leadership anyways. I digress.
Thank you. Absolutely wonderful. Do I have an account? Oh, I do have an account. Hell yeah, I have an account. I got 99 messages, or whatever that is, inbox. Is that an inbox? Is that messages, or are these messages? No, inbox is not messages. Well, what the hell is that? What am I inboxing if they're not messages? I digress. I worked once with a Scrum Master 10 years ago, and how it was described to me was the following: that Scrum Masters are like the spirit of the team. They're the spirit animal. They're the dolphin. And what they do, they're supposed to be the human element to your otherwise robotic individual contributors, where they bring people together and make success. I'm not exaggerating right now. So they're clerics that are bad at healing. The man knows. That was perfect. Perfect description. Perfect description. Scrum Masters are clerics that are bad at healing. I might have to take this. I'm pretty sure I get to take this. Pretty sure this is MIT. This chat's MIT. I'm taking that. The problem is, okay, so real talk. The Scrum Master that I did have, his name was Ian, not Ian. Ian. I really liked him, and I got to this funny point where I couldn't understand what Ian did, because I didn't understand what a Scrum Master did, but I liked him. I would just chat with him. What was that? It's like a team counselor. Is that real? Is that a real thing? All I know is I oddly enjoyed it, but to be real, contributed nothing to the team, as far as I could tell. Like I don't know if it was real. My best manager was basically a counselor. Yeah, see, that's kind of where I came to, which is a good manager should be more like, should be doing this, right? So that's why I get so confused with what a Scrum Master is, because I can't, like, are you separating out, like, manager does no emotional side, Scrum Master does all emotional support side? What are you using at Netflix? My boss comes to me every now and then and goes, "What are you doing?" And I go, "I'm doing this." Scrum Masters bring tremendous value. How else would I know what time I was? Or how else would I know what time I was, if not being reminded about upcoming meetings? Damn, Bash Bunny. What do you think about that? Bash Bunny, what do you think about? Give me a one-liner. Do you love Scrum Masters or do you hate Scrum Masters, or are you indifferent? Hit me right now. Hit me right now. Isn't a Scrum Master a team manager? She doesn't even know. You don't even know. You don't even know. No, they are the spirit of the team, Bash Bunny. Okay, they are the spirit animal. They are the dolphin. They are the dolphin of the team, and you need to understand that. That's what they do. Disappointed, Bash Bunny, that you didn't know this. You're no longer my spirit animal. Jen.